live from the Lehigh Valley on an overcast day for a matchup with a team that's become a regional rival, Lehigh University Mountain Hawks. Wildcat look, takes the snap, puts the right leg back, lunges over the goal line. Owen Wright is into the end zone. Monmouth giving chase, and he fumbles the football. Poked away from behind. Monmouth with good pursuit. They force the fumble, they recover it, and they force the Lehigh turnover. Muskie gonna look right. Gonna throw it that way. Has Miller at the 10, into the end zone. 39-yard touchdown strike. Tony Musket, Dymere Miller. Here's Perry. He's being pressured, and he'll go down. Take the snap, look left, pass Carrington at the goal line, another Monmouth touchdown. Masterful defensive game by Mike Reed and company, and Monmouth has now won 3 straight games